Okay, hi guys, Lloyd here, and in this video is gonna talk about how to graph using slope and intercepts. So first of all, I just want to quick mention about two kind of forms that we usually use: a standard form of a line and slope intercept. So first of all, let's begin with the standard form of the line. This will be like this: a is x plus by equal to c. And this form, they usually use this to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. This form usually used to find x and y-intercept because we can easily replace the x and y that equal to 0, therefore we can find the intercept easier. So let's move on to another form as slope intercept of a line, slope intercept form of a line. So it's the formula will be like this, and m here is the slope, and the slope here is equal to rise divided by run, because the slope show how steep the line is, right? And the v here is the y-intercept. Okay, this form has the benefit that it's easier to graph compared to the standard form, because we already know the slope, we already got the y-intercept already, so it's much easier for us to beginning graph. It's easier to graph. Okay, so let's move on to this. So how to graph a line? So first of all, there's is graph using x and y intercept. So I got an example that is graph this equation using x and y intercept. So in this example, we need to focus on finding x-intercept and y-intercept, and then we can connect 2 points together to make a line. So if we got this equation set, we need to find x. For example, I find x-intercept first. Set y equal to 0 to determine x-intercept. So we already got 3x plus 2 multiple with 0 equal to 9. So therefore 3x equal to 9, because everything multiple with 0 is 0. So x here is equal to 9 divided by 3, so it's equal to 3. So that we can make a conclusion here is the line go through this point 3 0, which is the x-intercept. Okay, so next step is set x equal to 0 to determine y-intercept. So if x equal to 0, we got 3 multiple with 0 plus 2y equal to 9. So therefore 2y is equal to 9. So we got y is equal to 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. So we also make a conclusion that the line go through this point 0 and 4.5, right? Yeah. So the last step is we already got the x-intercept and y-intercept already. So the last step here is just connect two lines together. Connect two points 2 points to make a line. So in here I got a coordinate. So here is the first point is 3, 0. So we got 3 here, which is this point is the x-intercept, and this point 0, 4.5 is the y-intercept. Therefore we just need to connect two of this point together to make a line, right? So this is the line that we need to graph. Okay, let's move on to another example. Right now we need to use slope and y-intercept. So in this question I got the equation, which is y equal to 3x minus 6. So in this point, the first step we need to do is find the y-intercept. We already got minus 6 here, right? So minus 6 is y-intercept, which means the line, the line go through this point, 0 and minus 6. And the second thing, we already got the 3 is the slope of this line, right? So we need to do the slope to find another point that this line go through in order to connect 2 points together. So we already got the formula that slope is equal to rise divided by run. So I just make the number 3 here, but just make the 3 is numerator and 1 is denominators. It doesn't change anything. So this means rise equal to 3. Right here we got, which is rise is similar with 3 and run is similar to 1. So this we can understand is as move up 3 and move to the right 1 of the last point, which is the y-intercept. So okay, we need to move on to this. Okay, so right now how to graph that? We already got the y-intercept, which is 0 and minus 6, and the other point is we need to move up 3 points, which is minus 5 from 1 to 3. So this point, and move to the right 1 point, which is this one. So I got the point of 1 and minus 3 is the other point that the line go through. So I already got 2 points of this line, so I just need to connect them together to make a line. Oh. Right, so this is the line of y is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay, and I just want to make some fast conclusion. So how to graph? We just need to form 2 points that the line going through and connect them together. And if you need more help, you can click in the mail in the description. I can be there to help you more. Thank you for listening.